Right behind me is the world's most famous Monte Carlo Casino in Monaco. For more than 160 years, people have traveled from all over the world hoping to turn a small amount of money into a fortune. Some leave as winners, most leave with less than they arrived with. But here's what's interesting. I don't think the biggest gambling happened inside this building anymore. I think it happens every single day in crypto and the financial market. Because if you trade or invest without a plan, you're not investing, you're gambling. By the way, we are inside here. Beautiful building. Let's get back to it. In this video, I'll explain the difference between investing and gambling, why so many people lose money in crypto and the stock market, and what separates successful investor from everyone else, like the one who's gambling just behind me. Let's dive in. Let's be clear, there is nothing wrong with walking into a casino. People come here to have fun. They know they are taking a risk. They know the odds are against them. The casino has one goal: to make money. And over time, the casino almost always wins. Now, think about financial markets. Millions of people open a trading app every day. Some buy Bitcoin, some buy stocks, and some buys altcoins. Some trade with 50 or even 100 times leverage. But let me ask you something. Did they actually research what they were buying? Did they understand the risks? Did they decide how much they were willing to lose before they entered the trade? Or did they have an exit strategy even? Or did they simply buy because someone on YouTube, TikTok, or on the internet or X promised them they would become rich? If that's the case, then the only difference between the casino and the market is the building. One of the biggest mistakes people make is confusing luck with skills. Imagine someone comes to Monte Carlo. They walk into the casino, they put everything on red, and they win. Does that make them a professional gambler? No, of course not. Now think about crypto. Someone buys a coin, a week later, it's up 300%. They think they are genius. Then they try again. This time they lose everything. Why? Because the first win wasn't skill, it was luck. Professional investors know something most beginners don't. One winning trade proves nothing. Success comes from making good decisions over and over again, not from getting lucky once. Have you noticed what happens every time the market falls? People panic, they sell, then a few months later, when prices are much higher, they buy back in. They buy high, they sell low, again and again. Not because the market forces them to, because emotions control their decision. Fear, greed, FOMO. These emotions have destroyed more investments portfolio than any market crash ever has. The market doesn't reward emotions, it rewards discipline. By the way, if you're finding value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It helps YouTube recommend this video to more people who want to become better investors instead of emotional traders. Now look around Monaco. Luxury hotels, supercars, multi-million-dollar yacht. Many people see all this and think, these people became wealthy by taking huge risks. Some did, but most didn't stay wealthy because of luck. They stayed wealthy because they protected their wealth. The wealthiest investors usually diversify. They own businesses, real estate, stocks, private investments. Some own gold, some own Bitcoin. They don't put everything into one investment, hoping it will make them rich overnight. They think about risk first because preserving wealth is just as important as creating it. People often ask me, is Bitcoin just gambling? My answer is always the same. Bitcoin isn't gambling. Buying something you don't understand, using money you can't afford to lose, or following influencers without doing your own research, that's gambling. Bitcoin is simply an asset, just like gold, just like stock, Just like real estate, every asset carries risk. The question isn't whether an investment is risky, the question is whether you understand the risk before you invest. Professional investors don't ask, how much money can I make? They ask, what happens if I'm wrong? That's a completely different mindset. Here's something I've learned. The best investment you will ever make, it's education. Because once you understand how money works, how market works, and how emotions influence your decision, nobody can take that from you. Market will go up, market will go down, but knowledge compound for the rest of your life. So being inside that casino, I've realized something. The biggest financial losses don't always happen at the roulette table. Many people confuse investment with gambling. Real investment isn't exciting every day. It's patience, it's discipline, it's something boring. But over time, that's exactly what builds wealth. So before you place your next trade or buy your next cryptocurrency, ask yourself, am I making a decision based on research or based on emotions? It's really important because that one question could completely change your financial future. What do you think? Do you believe most people are investing, or are they simply gambling with a trading app instead of a roulette wheel? Let me know in the comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Lamia. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.